kung sa election, isa lang ang pwedeng manalo. Dito, in the Echo Run, lahat panalo.
Yes!
Basta matapos natin, ang takbo natin, we are all winners. Panalo sa takbo na ito. This run is a run that everyone can win. Good luck everyone and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Yes, once again, maraming salamat ang ating Mayor, Joy Del Monte!
Masyado ka namin mahal, ayaw ka namin bumaba ng entablado. Mayora, we need you here if you can only talk forever. So, Q citizens, handa na po ba kayong mag-warm up?
Coach!
Pinatataan po galaw-galaw.
Dito, nasa baba rin, dumating. Ang ating konsihal, Majority Floor Leader, Dora Delarmente, Councilor Char Ferrer, Councilor, ayan si Mama.
And our Congressman Arjo Atayde is in the house.
Nandito! Councilor Nanette Castelo Daza, nandito rin.
Congresswoman Nanette Castelo Daza is in the house.
Congresswoman.
Councilor Dora Delarmente is a veteran.
Yes,
marathoner.
Ang ating mga department head mayor.
Okay, and we would like to greet all our department heads. See you at the 10K finish line. Alright. Ayan.
Baka po kami, Mayora.
Si Councilor